Hey guys, Mr. A here. Alright, so this week we're going to be delving into the profession of the Foley artist. Now, a Foley artist basically is somebody that recreates sounds in a film or a video that is not captured well during filming or needs to be replaced with more exaggerated sound. Basically, if they do their job well, you probably don't really know that they even exist, much like the animator or somebody else that does visuals. Now, these guys spend hours just making sounds, and you will be doing the same, just making one Foley sound in this project. Let me explain further. So, what are you supposed to do? I have a 1-minute cut scene from Thor Ragnarok, and 6 of the sounds have been deleted out, 6 of the Foley sounds. You only need to choose one of them, of the deleted sounds, and you will record or recreate that sound from the Thor versus Hulk scene. Now, how do I record the Foley sound? Well, first, you need a quiet place to record. Making a pillow fort would be really good because it reduces the outside noise. Second, you need a phone or recording device. And after, you'll need to be able to email yourself the sound file. Third, you need to decide which one of the 6 sounds you want to recreate and how you're going to do it. Get a game plan before you try. Fourth, you need to record the Foley sound as best you can. And I'll talk about that a little bit more. Lastly, you need to attach the sound file to your Edmodo assignment submission, and in the notes, tell me which sound effect you're doing and what you are trying to recreate, or like how you made it, basically, with what. And just a brief little description is fine. Okay. So, what are the requirements? Well, basically, the requirements are: you cannot hit yourself or any other person while trying to recreate this sound, so I don't want anybody to get hurt, and this is not an excuse to beat up your little brother. You cannot download pre-existing Foley sounds. You got to create them on your own. You can have the help of your family, although. You cannot use explosives or harmful equipment while creating the Foley sound. I don't want anybody to get hurt. You must record the sound in an environment free of background noise, so please try to keep it quiet, not a lot of noise in the back. You must be believable in your Foley sound and put some effort into it. You also need to, you can use your vocal sounds, like if you want to use your mouth or whatnot, but you gotta be believable, so you gotta be pretty good, okay? So what do you use to make Foley sounds? Once again, don't injure yourself or anybody else for that matter. But if you want some ideas, here's just a couple. You don't have to follow them. You can be creative. For example, sound 1, the crashing sound. You basically have materials crashing together or crumpling them up, like a paper cup, tin foil, paper. The more things you get together and you crumple them up, the more the crashing sound sounds authentic. Sound 2 is gravel. So you go outside and drag a stick through the gravel or dirt. It makes a really cool grumbling noise. Sound 3 is pulling his swords out, and he does it twice. So you just rub 2 silverware together. Doesn't really matter. Just slide them along each other. It makes that clang, that noise. Sound 4 is axes clanging. So this one you're going to hit the silverware together or any kind of metal object instead of rubbing it together. Sound 5 is a wall impact. Now this one's kind of tricky, so some people that really want to take it on is what I would do is something like hitting a cardboard box and dropping some dirt at the same time. Okay? Sound 6 is like heavy stomping. This is probably one of the more easy ones. All you got to do is get some boots on and make sure that your recording device is low to the ground, and you just step really hard towards the recording device as your steps get stronger. Problem is, you need to sync your steps with the Hulk, so that might be a little difficult. Okay, moving on. All right, so here's the clip that you can check it out.
Hey, Banner!
No Banner, only Hulk!
What are you doing? It's me! Banner, we're friends. This is crazy. I don't want to hurt you.
Here we go. What?
Okay. All right. So, now that you've watched the clip, just remember, you must attach the sound file to your assignment submissions, and in the notes or text area, type the number of the Foley sound that you were trying to recreate and what you did and what you used to make that sound. Okay? So I hope you have fun trying to do this. And if you want the reference of the 1 minute with the sound in it, I've attached it at the end so you can see. Okay? Good luck. Again, have fun.
Hey, Banner!
No banner, only Hulk.
What are you doing? It's me! Banner, we're friends. This is crazy. I don't want to hurt you.
Here we go. Here we go. What?